If you want to use Samsung DeX mode on an unsupported Samsung phone running One UI 8.5 or newer, here's how you can do it. First, open the Play Store and search for Activity Launcher. After installing it, open the app and wait for it to load. Now, in the search bar, type DeX. Scroll down and tap on Settings. Tap on it under the DeX settings and then create a shortcut by tapping Add. Now you're done with the phone setup. Let's set up DeX on your laptop or PC. Go to Settings, then select System. From the left sidebar, open Optional Features. Tap Add an optional feature, search for wireless display, and install it. Once it's installed, go back to System greater than projecting to this PC and click Launch the wireless display app. Now, as you can see, your laptop or PC appears on your Samsung phone. Simply tap Start Now. And as you can see, Samsung DeX is now successfully enabled on an unsupported Samsung phone. Make sure your mouse and keyboard are connected to your phone, and you can use DeX easily. That's it. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.